Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's question is you are given two numbers x and y. You are required to check if y can be obtained from x by raising x to some power or not. Print 1 if y can be obtained, else print 0. So let me give you an example. Let's say x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 8. So in question it is said that if there is a power of 2 that can be equal to 8, then print 1, else print 0. So what will be the power here? There will be 2 raised to power 3 that can be equal to 8. Okay, so how can we do that? So let's find out. If I divide it by 2, what I get as quotient? 4. If I divide it by 2 again, what will I get? 2. And if I again divide it by 2, I get 1. So I have to reach to this point. We can see that we are doing same process again and again. So we have to do it in loop, right? So let's find out. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in for taking input. Let me take a variable input dot next int x and y. Okay, now as I said earlier, we have to do it in loop. Okay, so while what we have to do here is we have to check for a condition. And what will be that condition? If my y modulus x is equal to 0, I have to do something inside the loop. Okay, till my y modulus x is equal to 0. Okay, if I'm dividing it by 2, it divides completely and we get 4. If I divide it by 2 again, it will get completely divided. And if I do it by 2, it get completely divided. If I do it again, it will not completely divide. We get 1 as a remainder. Okay, until I get the remainder as number apart from the x, we will break outside the loop. So and here I am dividing again and again y by x. Y is equal to y by x. Okay, it will again divided by x, and again it will check, then again it will divide it by x, then again it will check. When I break outside the loop, if I get if my y is equal to 1, because it will reduce again, y will reduce again and again. So in last, if I get y is equal to 1, I will print system.out.println 1. Okay, else system.out.println 0. Okay, there will be an edge case also when, let me give you with example, if my x is equal to 1 and y is equal to, it can be anything, let's say 8. When my 8 is divided by 1, it will be an infinite loop because 1 will be divided again, and when we divided 8 by 1, we get 8, and again this thing will happen. We have to check for a condition if my x is greater than 1. Okay, if my x is greater than 1, then we will do this loop. There will be another condition also. If my x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, I have to print 1. Okay, because 1 raised to power anything will be equal to 1. Okay, and in last condition will be if my x is equal to 1 and my y is greater than 1, what we will do, stum dot out dot print ln 0. Okay, so let's run it, guys. If my first number is 3 and second number is 27, I get 1, right? Then if I again check it, 2 and the second number is 16, I will get 1. If my first number is 1 and another number will be, let's say, 5, I will get 0. Okay, if I check for 1 and 1, I will get 1. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope I cleared your doubts, and I will see you in the next one.